open another can for her before I go out and get something for me. Thought of going to 13, preparing the mac and cheese. I feel like having rice. We'll go out. Not too hot for a ride. We are going out on Saturday night with Daddy. Changed it from Friday. Saturday night is Chinese New Year Eve. So reunion dinner. Most of them will be at home. So less cars on the road. Even supermarkets close earlier. Only on Chinese New Year Eve. Only on Chinese New Year Eve. Because most of the workers are Chinese and Tesco will be open. Tesco is usually open. Now it's Lotus. That's usually open. But like malls, they close by 6. They close by 6. Because it's a must to be home for the reunion dinner. And for those who can't be home, they must at least voice call or video call. It's a must. Ashwin and I used to go to a neighbor's house when we were small. Every year, reunion dinner, they'll set a place for us at the table. I'll never forget them. That auntie had 2 sons, but they were grown up. But then they were grown up. I remember every time Mommy and Daddy used to have big fights, we would run there and hide under their bed. And Mommy used to take shelter there. And Daddy started throwing things. Okay. Yeah, going out to go and buy food. She's almost finished hers. Don't sit down, don't sit down. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Okay, I get ready, then we go. I want to stop at the lemon shop because I was talking to doctor. She's telling me, I stopped that day to tell them if and get someone who to go and work for her. I want to give her son's phone number as well. Now when it comes to salary and payment and all that, I won't know the details. So I'm going to give his number and stop and do that too. Okay. I must remember the rice spoons. I must give Judy's mom one tonight. And then Yopin's t-shirt. Also, I must bring it here. Anything else? That's it.